morning. It's a pleasant sight, huh? Yeah, I got the camera. Just wanted to show you guys this. This was, I don't know what the previous owner was thinking.
Previous owner you're referring to?
I think it's the one in Japan. These are legit lights. I don't know why you would do them like this. What? I don't get it. But got the cover lay off. It was just double-sided tape. Inside was like really dusty. You can't really tell, but yeah, it was dusty. So I'm tweaking. I already got this side done. Took the lens off, repainted the whole housing.
Put some cardboard in there.
Yeah, I had to put something underneath because if you see, this is how the dirt gets in all through here. So what you can't see is your boy put some cardboard right there inside, and I spray painted cardboard black. Yeah, you just have to do what you gotta do sometimes.
Gotta put cardboard in $2,000 headlights.
$2,000 headlights, put cardboard inside, done deal. Dollar spray paint. You guys already know.
Professional dollar paint jobber. Painter jobber. Job painter.
Yes. You guys probably didn't even see the footage. On my Instagram, I lowered this thing. Well, it's boring, so we didn't even film it, but it's coming out really good. Sorry, I'm eating.
Mukbang.
Yeah, some more. I think I want to stay with the meaty look. I don't know. We'll see. Wheels are supposed to be done any day now. Let me put this down. Let me pull it out. Yeah, I still gotta adjust the front. I didn't even touch it yet, but the headlights came out amazing. They're already done. Good, wipe them down. So scared to just be spray painting really expensive headlights, but gosh, it looks good. Front's gonna come down like 2 inches. Still gonna trim the front fenders. I got a roof wing for this thing. Just throw that on. Got me some tapes. Feels like installing coilovers on my gold car, so he needs coils. So I told him he can put these on for me and have my other ones.
The red one?
Yeah, for the red car. I'm too lazy to do this. That's what freaking good bikes are for.
How's it feel to be engaged, Dakota?
Great.
This boy's getting married.
Do you really have to say that on your vlog?
Yes, sir.
Where's your wife, Jordan?
He's in the future. Where's your babies?
huge, bro. 12 J's.
Those are 12s.
Yeah.
Holy old coil.
Those are your favorite. Nice and used.
I like my coils used like I just messed up. I like my coils like I like my women.
Your men?
Used.
You almost said men. I like my men like I like my women.
What?
I don't know. Here. Sitting on the coilovers, bro. I need these. Made in Japan. 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 Oh, I'm working?
Wait, are you not?
I'm just the unpackager. That's my job here.
Frick, those are the upper control arms I need. Freaking thin little things that won't hit my coils.
Those are huge. Let's see what all this D-Max hype is about.
And purple and whites.
Dakota's talking about all this D-Max hype. They do look nice though. I'll give them that. Sick. This actually looks really nice. My custom black interior, guys. See that? Oh crap, don't look at that. Ah.
Dude, I called it KTS.
You did call it. He's like, what are they? I was like, I don't know, something from Japan. He's like, they're probably some freaking KTSs. Hey, we should cut my recorder panels. Get your freaking blah blah.
Do we need to unbolt the
You
Fender?
can do it without. Your freaking beehive somewhere.
It is. There's a bunch on this tree.
Dude, it's so nice how you cut the tree and now you can just see the lake.
Yeah. Pretty great. Pretty great, guys. I don't even know how to do this.
You should put it on ground.
It hits?
Yeah, it's good. Look at my tire.
Support.
Okay,
That's a lot.
so max.
Damn.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, this car.
What?
Did he did the one?
Oh, you're right.
Tucking 12.
Tell me
bro.
where to cut. Are you sure?
That's a lot.
The line's here and about 2 inches over the line.
Scratch that car, boy. Real good.
Oh, I don't want to do this anymore.
Use his muscles, Coda.
Cut just the gold out.
Coda's just working for Josh, just slaving away.
I'm the teacher.
Who's I, dude?
I tell Dakota everything he knows.
Hey, put other side.
Dude, look at me. I'm freaking jamming right now.
The baser matches the car, bro.
Chotto motto. Motto
chotto.
chotto.
Get out.
Hey man, you're kind of mean.
Get out. Is this one rubbing too? Yep. Yep.
Should we just do it right there?
Nah, bro, the other side's higher. Can I key your car, bro?
Sure can. Look how much of the blade we have left for the cutting wheel. That ain't gonna last.
Well, this guy says he works on his car, but he doesn't even have a
Cutting wheel.
cutting wheel.
He does everything with a Dremel.
What a guy. What a guy.
That side, Josh.
What's this little thing gonna do? It broke. It's broken.
Did quite a lot of damage.
Dang, that thing's good.
That's definitely not even coda. The other side's cut way more high. You have to do this again.
Redo it. We'll just go higher.
Weld it back together and then cut it higher.
What Jordan said.
I gotta cut you, dick.
Joke's on you. I don't have a dick, bro. I have a slit. Oh, nice, coda. How's it feel up the butt, bro?
I thought it would fit in my butt, but
Ready to throw this wheel on. 1,
you
2, 3. That's freaking good.
You really threw it on there.
Yeah, we aimed it perfectly.
Kimochi!
Yamete!
Moto!
He'll go lower.
Yeah, once you get off. Alright, you break down, just roll off. Oh, that's very good.
I needed 2 steps. I don't need 3 steps. I gotta remake that.
Back at it again with the custom.
Yeah, 180 has a front like nose.
You removed this one.
Yeah, 1 step. If it's long, it'll step up and then bump with this. But if it's short, see, the second step has to be longer than this. That.
Coda doing his engineering.
Yeah, some rusted, ugly calipers. Freaking screaming. I got the best spray paint. 99 cents.
Good. Let's go.
Grade them gold though.
Okay, that's good.
Just don't try this at home, kids. Don't try this at home.
So good.
Holy crap, what am I doing?
Trying out the camera.
No,
It's better.
that does look better.
It matches the rear now.
Oh, whatever. I'm overworking here. That'll do. I'm gonna take the camera for a second, Jordan. Had a special delivery. What did you bring?
Rhoda.
Rhoda grids.
It's half is in the front. 2 more is in the front. Yeah.
I think it's
$10,000 delivery.
Jump that power. Dang. We'll show you guys what these are tomorrow. 9.5 plus 12. 10.5 plus 12. Right, I kind of want to show you guys right now. So we got. These are for the GTR. I just got out of paint. Oh, buddy. Let's see this. Oh. Wow. Amazing. Nismo. I don't even know what model these are. I was just like, the homie had a bunch of sets. I was like, let me get a set. And then Coda got a set. Gabe got a set. We all got a set. Let me see. What are these center caps? Yes. These are gonna look so fire on the new GTR. Alright. Back to the pace car. I hear a lot of fricks over here. This freaking thing won't align. That won't align? I swear, Jordan.
Oh!
Freaking
Freaking got it!
Let's see if this starts. Let's go, baby. Sometimes you just need to drive. Ouch! The hako to go get mail. Oh, it's so cold. I don't know how long this thing takes to warm up. It's probably going to take us like 10 minutes. How do you get out of here without freaking ruining this car? I can't even see anything. Oh, there we go. There's the headlights. Point it more forward, Jordan. I can't see anything.
Hey, I need to film this.
The car doesn't want to stay on if I have the headlights on. And if we get stranded down there, we're pretty screwed because there's no reception. So I don't know what we're doing.
So,
I just want to drive this car.
He's holding the.
I can't see with your light.
He's holding the snap on right now outside of the window.
I got the snap. Oh,
There's
that's a turn.
Nice headlights, bro.
We're doing it.
Trying to get it to 80.
Should be good. Should be good after 80. Oh, the car's dying.
No, no, no.
No, no.
No.
You got this, baby. You got this.
No.
You got this.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to.
Don't die! Gosh!
And that's the end of
Do we have to get Leah to come down here?
We have no reception, so one of us has to run.
No.
Check your phone, bro. There's 0 reception here.
Oh, frick.
Try push me, Jordan. We got this. Frick.
Got no reception. I lost your hako for you.
Okay, cool. I'll be right back in 4 hours.
Frick.
Yeah, this is great. This is my life.
This is scary, bro. Oh, can I? Close all the windows.